In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to collaborate on Wix. If you're working with a teammate, a designer, or someone who helps manage your site, the safest and most organized way to give access is to invite them as a collaborator instead of sharing your login. It keeps your account secure and lets you control exactly what each person can do. First, log into your Wix dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your site's content, settings, and tools. If you have more than one site in your account, make sure you're in the correct site's dashboard before moving on so the invite goes to the right project. Next, look for Settings in the left-hand menu and open it. Inside Settings, find the section called Roles and Permissions. This is where access to your site is managed. Think of it as your control center for who can do what on your site. Now, click the button that says Invite People. This opens a small window where you can add someone new. Enter the collaborator's email address carefully. It's a good idea to double-check spelling so the invitation reaches the right person. You don't need to add any personal details beyond the email. Wix will handle the rest. Before sending the invite, choose the role that best matches what this person needs to do. Admin gives full control, including settings and site management, so reserve that for someone you completely trust and who truly needs full access. Editor allows someone to work on site content and design without touching sensitive account settings, which is great for designers or content managers. Back office is more limited and typically focuses on managing orders, bookings, or customer interactions behind the scenes. If your workflow requires something more tailored, you can use a custom role to select very specific permissions. When in doubt, follow the principle of least privilege and grant only what's necessary. Once you've chosen the role, click Send Invite. Wix will send an email invitation to the address you entered, and the person can join your site with the permissions you set. You'll see them appear in your roles and permissions list after they accept. If your needs change later, you can return to this same page at any time to adjust their role or remove access. That's all there is to it. By inviting collaborators through roles and permissions, you keep your account secure and your team organized while giving each person exactly the access they need to help your site grow.